A few handy fixes to deal with acid reflux. There is little room for debate about the difficulties and discomfort that acid reflux sufferers face each and every day. There are many things you can do to ease your suffering. Continue watching and learn some helpful pointers for dealing with your acid reflux. If you are experiencing acid reflux issues and you do not have an antacid on hand, you can use baking soda to alleviate the problem. You will start to feel relief within a few minutes of taking it. Stop smoking if you are trying to rid yourself of issues with acid reflux. Many people do not know this, but smoking causes the muscles in the esophagus to relax. This can create some of the symptoms associated with acid reflux, so quit if you are trying to make things better. Certain foods cause acid reflux more than other foods. Keeping a diary of your eating habits can help you understand when acid reflux is at its worst. After you've eaten, if you begin to feel acid reflux symptoms, write down what you ate, what the symptoms are, and how they are affecting you. There is a drug called phenylalanine and it is found inside of most over-the-counter antacids. If you have acid reflux and you also have mental retardation and/or seizures, you should not take them. This is because the phenylalanine will make you more prone to having seizures. Talk to your doctor about other options. If you have acid reflux, you know how debilitating and disruptive it can be. Fortunately, by taking the time to learn a bit about acid reflux and the various available treatments, there is no need for long-term suffering to persist. Use what you have just learned to get your life back on track. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.